In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to hide wallet or address in Coinbase Wallet. This is crucial for security and privacy, as it prevents unauthorized access, protects your balance from prying eyes, and reduces the risk of scams or phishing attacks. To hide your address, simply head to Coinbase Wallet. Now, as you can see, I have two addresses. Let's hide address 2. Simply tap right here. You will then click on the settings gear icon. Select onto the option of Manage All Wallets. Head to the wallet you want to hide. For this case, it's address 2. Now onto the very last option of Hide Address. Make sure to turn this on. Your address will successfully be hidden. Well, that's how easy it is to hide wallet or address on Coinbase Wallet. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.